168 divided by 12. Here 12 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 12. 12 times 0, 0, 12 times 1, 12, 12 times 2, 24, 12 times 3, 36. To find out the multiplication table of 12, just add 12 with the previous step. 0 plus 12, 12, 12 plus 12, 24, 24 plus 12, 36, 36 plus 12, 48, 48, 48 plus 12, 60. This process will continue. 12 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times. 0 times 12, 0 times 12, 0. Subtract, you are getting 1. Bring down this digit 6. 12 goes into 16 how many times? Look, 2 times 24, which is greater, so 1 time. Write 1. 1 times 12, 12. Subtract 4. Bring down this 8. 12 goes into 48 how many times? 12 goes into 48 4 times. 4 times 12, 48. 48. Let me check. 4 times 12. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 1, 4. 48. Right? So 4 times 12, 48. 4 times 12, 48. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0 and there is no digit in the dividend, so we are done. So our answer is 014 means 14.